Intelligent Pantry is your grocery shopping concierge. It is a new class of cloud-centric, app-centric kitchen and pantry appliance designed to monitor and manage household goods you buy at places such as a grocery store. This mega IoT device is accompanied by a mobile app capable of real-time viewing and management of goods, as well as generating grocery shopping lists which may be purchased via PantryOn App. You set up PantryOn once. It's a 15 to 20 minute exercise. PantryOn does the rest. You'll always know what you have and how much you have left. When you get your groceries, you place them on PantryOn shelves. No additional actions are required. Just make sure to place the items in their proper places. They'll be easier to find when you need them. As goods are consumed, PantryOn sends consumption data to the app. You can access this data from home, work, or any place in the world you might be visiting. You will always know what you have and how much of it you have left. PantryOn's flagship product is called Intelligent Pantry Shelves. These shelves are designed for homes, apartments, or condominiums. They are equally suited for placement on kitchen countertops or on pantry shelves. As quantities breach thresholds set by you, the color of the box in which the items show up on the app itself changes from green to yellow to red. When the box turns red, the item is placed on the shopping list automatically. This way, when you're ready to go shopping, you'll know what to get, guaranteed. There's much more to this amazing appliance than we can cover in just one video, so stay tuned for more videos.